Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade blueberry jelly step by step. Start by washing 2 pounds of fresh blueberries, crush them gently. Simmer with 1 cup water for 10 minutes, strain the juice through a fine sieve, return juice to pot, stir in pectin and sugar, bring to a rolling boil, then jar and process in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. Bring the strained blueberry juice to a full, rolling boil and add the measured pectin and sugar all at once, stirring constantly so sugar dissolves thoroughly. Maintain the boil for the time the pectin instructions recommend, watching for the gel point, which ensures proper set. Then remove from heat, skim any foam, and ladle hot jelly into sterilized jars, leaving headspace for safe sealing. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you'll love. Quick recommendation: the product seen here is a set of leak-proof meal prep containers that make gifting jars or packing snacks easier and less messy. And you'll find a link and other deals in the description, which helps support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. While the jelly cooks, sterilize your jars and lids by boiling for at least 10 minutes and keep them hot until ready. Fill each jar with hot jelly, leaving the correct headspace, wipe rims clean, apply lids and bands fingertip tight. Then process in a boiling water bath for the recommended time, cool undisturbed, check seals, and store sealed jars in a cool pantry or refrigerate after opening.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.